Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. Installing a hitch on your Toyota Rav4 can lead to some amazing adventures, such as biking, camping, or road trips to your favorite destination. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Now let's take a look at how I completed this U-Haul Adventure Series hitch installation. You will need the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. Our exclusive Adventure Series hitch is engineered for unparalleled structural rigidity and strength. With OEM level precision and fitment, it is designed to exceed industry standards. Now let's begin by lowering our exhaust. Support the exhaust with a strap near the rear cross member and the third rubber isolator. Now use your exhaust hanger pliers to remove 3 rubber isolators. Remove the stickers that cover the mounting holes in the chassis rails. There are 2 holes on the outer side of each rail and 2 holes on the inner side of each rail, 8 in total. We can now install the driver's side inner frame bracket using 2 M12 flange bolts. Install all bolts loosely by hand. Do not fully tighten the bolts until all hardware and brackets have been installed. Now install the driver's side outer frame bracket using 2 more M12 flanged bolts. Now repeat for your passenger side brackets, again using the M12 flanged bolts. You can now raise the crossbar of the hitch into position. I will be using this U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you do not have one, we recommend you get a second set of hands. The hitch is heavy. Line up the castle lock features of the cross tube with the outer frame bracket. The hitch cross tube will be sandwiched between the outer and inner frame brackets. You can now install the remaining M12 hex head bolts, flat washers, and nut. There is 3 sets of hardware on each side. Each bolt will get 2 flat washers, one under the hex head, one under the hex nut. You may need to wiggle the brackets to get the hardware in place. This is why we left everything loose. Now repeat for the passenger side hardware. We're now ready to tighten and torque the hardware to the manufacturer specifications. We will link those in the description below. Begin with a 17mm ratcheting wrench to tighten the hardware, and then jump in with the provided torque adapter and the torque wrench. When using the torque adapter, make sure it is as close to parallel as you can get it before you hear the click. If it does this at an angle, reset the adapter and make sure it clicks in the parallel position. We can now use an 18mm socket and an 18mm wrench to tighten the 6 remaining fasteners in the side plates. You can now raise the exhaust back into position. And remove the support strap. We're now ready to install the Hitch Hush anti-rattle device using the provided hardware and a number 5 Allen wrench. You will place 2 washers on the bolt. They are conical in nature. You will want them to be opposite each other, creating a slight separation between the 2 washers. You can now align the mounting locations and secure it into position. The Hitch Hush will reduce rattle and vibration when towing accessories are installed for a quieter driving experience. It also doubles as a receiver tube cover when not in use. Now we can take a look at how the Hitch Hush keeps the ride quiet. Go ahead and open it up and insert your accessory. Your typical noisy towing experience will be taken away with the Hitch Hush. To press the lever, quiet as a mouse. Now that our hitch is installed, we've pulled the vehicle onto level ground to show you some important measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the receiver is 1.5 inches. From the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 12.25 inches. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories like a ball mount, bike rack, or cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.